What's the best laptop tech for your buck in 2025? Join me as I dive into the world of laptops and challenge myself to find the best tech for your buck in 2025. It's 2025, and the laptop landscape has never been more exciting or more confusing. From foldable screens to AI-powered processors, today's laptops are more powerful, portable, and packed with features than ever before. But with so many models, specs, and price points, making the right choice can feel like decoding a foreign language. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, a casual browser, or a hardcore gamer, choosing the right laptop can make a huge difference in your productivity and overall tech experience. So today, I'm breaking it all down for you. What to look for, which models stand out, and what trends to watch in the year ahead. 1. Why laptops still matter. Despite the rise of smartphones and tablets, laptops remain the central hub for serious work and content creation. Here's why. Power and flexibility. Laptops offer more powerful CPUs and GPUs than tablets and allow multitasking across apps, creative tools, and browsers. Versatility. From running full-fledged desktop apps to supporting external displays and accessories, laptops are still the go-to for productivity. Portability meets power. With advancements in mobile chipsets, you no longer have to sacrifice power to go mobile. In short, whether you're editing 4K video, designing 3D models, coding, or even just binge-watching Netflix, your laptop is your digital command center. 2. What's new in 2025 laptop tech? Let's talk about some of the major innovations shaping this year's devices. 1. AI integration. AI isn't just about assistance anymore. In 2025, laptops use AI for performance optimization, battery management, noise suppression in video calls, and predictive app launching. Some systems learn your workflows and adjust fan speeds, CPU load, or screen brightness on the fly to match your usage. 2. Foldable and dual screen displays. We've seen early attempts in the past, but 2025 marks the first year foldables feel, well, practical. Lenovo and Asus are leading the way here, offering hybrid laptop-tablet formats that can fold flat or stand like a book. 3. 5G and Wi-Fi. 7 connectivity is faster and more seamless than ever. If you're always on the move, having a laptop with 5G ensures you're not relying on sketchy coffee shop Wi-Fi. 4. Eco-friendly materials. Many laptop manufacturers are stepping up their sustainability game, using recycled aluminum, ocean-bound plastics, and biodegradable packaging. If you care about your environmental footprint, this is a feature to watch. 5. Upgraded battery tech. Thanks to advances in solid-state battery designs and efficient ARM-based processors, many laptops now last well beyond the traditional 8-hour workday, some pushing 20+ hours. Plan. 3. How to choose the right laptop in 2025. Before we talk models, let's identify what you actually need. A. Your primary use case students. Focus on battery life, portability, and good typing experience. Creative professionals. Look for high-end GPUs, color-accurate displays, and fast SSDs. Gamers. Performance and refresh rate are key. Look for RTX or Radeon GPUs, high-refresh displays. Business users. Lightweight builds, security features, and reliability are musts. Casual users. You don't need to overpay. Basic browsing and media laptops can now do a lot more for under $1,000. B. Performance needs CPU. Intel Core Ultra, AMD Ryzen 8000 series, or Apple M2, M3, depending on your platform. RAM 16GB is the sweet spot. 8GB is acceptable for light users. Power users? Go 32GB. Storage. SSD is a must. 512GB or more if you do creative work. C. Other features display. Look for OLED or mini LED if you can afford it. 2K or 4K is standard for creatives. Ports. Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI. Don't overlook connectivity. Build quality, aluminum, plastic. Look for EMIL STD certifications if durability matters. 4. Top laptops for the money in 2025. So, what are the best options this year? Here are 3 of my top picks based on value, performance and versatility. 1. Dell XPS 13 Plus 2025 refresh. Price range $1,119–$1,699. Why it's great. Dell continues to refine its flagship Ultrabook. The XPS 13 Plus offers Intel's latest Core Ultra chips with built-in AI acceleration, a gorgeous 3.5K OLED screen, and a sleek design that feels futuristic. Great for everyday power users, professionals and content creators on the move. Pros. Stunning, edge-to-edge display. Excellent build quality. Powerful for its size. Cons. Limited port selection. Not ideal for gaming. MacBook Air M2, M3 price range $999–$1,499. Why it's great. Apple's M-series laptops continue to dominate when it comes to battery life, performance per watt, and overall user experience. The Air M2 is a fan favorite, but rumors suggest an M3 refresh mid-2025 with even faster AI and graphics performance. Pros. Best-in-class battery life, seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, super silent, no fan. Cons. Limited gaming support, fewer ports compared to some Windows models. 3. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12, price range $1,299–$1,899. Why it's great. ThinkPads are trusted by professionals for a reason. The 2025 X1 Carbon is lighter than ever, includes Intel's AI-enhanced chips, and offers enterprise-level security features. The keyboard is one of the best on any laptop, period. Pros. Legendary keyboard and build quality. Long battery life, great for remote work and travel. Cons. Design is more utilitarian, premium price tag. 5. Honorable mentions. Here are a few more models that deserve a shout-out. Asus ZenBook 14 OLED. Beautiful display, strong performance, mid-range price. HP Spectre X360 2K25, stylish 2-in-1 with pen support and great build. Framework laptop 16. Modular and repairable, a dream for tech-savvy users. And for gamers, Razer Blade 16 2025, RTX 50 series GPU, high refresh display, top-tier build. 6. Future tech trends to watch. Let's peek a little further into the future. Here are some laptop innovations just around the corner. 1. AI co-pilots in every OS. Both Windows and Mac OS are deeply integrating AI features. From smart document summarization to dynamic performance tuning, AI is becoming your personal digital assistant. 2. Holographic displays. Rumors and patents suggest companies are experimenting with glasses-free 3D and spatial displays. While still experimental, this could radically change how we interact with screens. 3. Next-gen thermal tech. Expect laptops to become thinner and cooler. Vapor chamber cooling and graphene-based materials are being tested in labs right now. 7. Final buying tips. Here are a few final tips to help you make the smartest purchase. Don't chase specs blindly. Real-world use matters more than raw numbers. Read or watch real reviews. Look for stress tests, thermal benchmarks, and real usage comparisons. Buy what fits your needs now, not what you think you might need in 2 years. Wait for deals. Back to school and holiday seasons often feature big discounts. Consider warranty and support, especially if you travel or rely heavily on your machine. Your tech, your future. In 2025, choosing a laptop is more about lifestyle fit than ever. With smarter software, more efficient hardware, and future-ready designs, the right device can genuinely improve your work, creativity, and daily life. So what do you think? What's your current laptop setup, or which feature are you most excited about in 2025 laptops? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing what gear you're using or saving up for. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out my next video. 5 laptop trends that will dominate the next decade. See you in the future.